Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is going to be a special reading for you all for the next 24 hours. So, today we'll be picking cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, and one card from the Oracle Guidance deck that will be a general guidance. Today, Scorpios. So, this will be the Oracle Guidance card. I will leave it here. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you feel a little emotional today. Maybe because there are certain things you want to change, but you feel really lost, or you feel that circumstances are really worrying you and stressing you, unable to make a choice. You feel stuck, unable to decide on something. It may be your energy in your career, or it may be your energy in this relationship. So, you are someone who thinks it through in any circumstance. You think about any situation deeply and you want to do the right things. But today, for some reason, you lack clarity, you lack understanding, and you want your circumstances to change. You are hoping that everything will change today. But things are not happening as you had hoped for. You have made a choice, and this choice is the reason for these difficulties you are seeing. Maybe you trusted certain people, or you trusted yourself, and you have made a decision, but today you are seeing the negative aspects of this decision. You are seeing that it is your mistake, the reason for the way things are going in a negative way today. So, there is a lot of confusion, doubts, and maybe you may feel that your circumstances are not going to change. This person you love, they may not share your views and ideals, Scorpios. So you want commitment, but maybe this person is not thinking of commitment. Maybe they may feel that this relationship may not work. They do not have that trust on you. They are not reciprocating your trust and loyalty. That may be the reason they feel this way, and you are rushing to make a proposal or commitment to this person, but they are taking a step back. They are worried. They don't want to get committed so soon in a relationship. The way they feel about this connection may be because they are not confident about this love. They are not confident enough about you, and though you both are in a relationship for quite some time, they do not share that clarity you have. So, that may be the reason for their behavior. That may be the reason why this person is not accepting your proposal today, Scorpios. So, let's see what is the oracle guidance for you all today, Scorpios. Deception, the juniper tree. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe You are carrying a great burden, a responsibility, and this is not your burden. This is not your burden to be carried. This is not your burden to be carried. And you are feeling really stressed or sad for someone else, and there is nothing you have done wrong to feel this way, and the reason you are feeling bad or sad may be because of your good heart, and it is not your fault. And you need not lose hope for what is happening in your circumstance. You need to do what is right. You need to do whatever you feel is right. Be compassionate, never give up hope. And very soon, a person whom you feel you have lost, whom you loved, but you are away from them, this person is coming back. Definitely. So, Scorpios, I feel that though you may lose hope, you may feel that this relationship is not working, they have left you, you are in separation, whatever it is, this person will definitely come back to you. They will understand your love and they will come back, and true love will always be rewarded. And you should not do anything that is bad, or you should not retaliate, be impulsive. But when you are kind, loving, and caring towards the people you love, that love, care, and kindness is definitely coming back. And that is the reason someone you missed is definitely coming back. It may be this person you love, or it may be a past love. That person will return to you, Scorpios. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Scorpios. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.